Hi everyone, today we will learn HTML tags and how to create HTML and how to run and what are the tags we can use in HTML. Just go to your folder structure, HTML CSS JavaScript we have created one folder structure and click on new file, add just index.html, click on enter and shift if you enter this one you will get folder structure. This is the HTML layout structure, this is the body and this is the header section. I will show where header section will be visible, where body section will get displayed. Just add, we'll go to one by one. H1 tag, hello world, I am printing H1 and H2. Welcome to website, I'm entering H3 and para. We have a few more H4, H6. This is a subheading. H5 also I have added. H6. These all H1 to H3 tags and we'll add spam. This is the element of a spam and div image tag. We'll add image and anchor tag. Yeah, I have added one image. We will add here one image and we'll call that one. If you want, you can bring it to browser through also. Enter, go to image, take this card and right click, copy link and put it in that image src. Video tag, just go to video tag. It will also like we have to add video. I am adding AWT school video tag and go to audio tag. I am taking reference from audio tag only. Now we have to close. Iframe tag we will take. I will tell you why we have to use iframe. Example we have to add now. Yeah, we have to add navbar also. You will li a anchor tag section 1 section a. How does it will visible? We'll see. This is the section tag and inside section how we will get like this. We can add more than sections also. IDs are must be unique in the HTML content. I have added section 2 also, section 3 also. Final output what we have in HTML content. This is the header section. What we added header section, it will is visible in this header part, and what and all body content we have added, that one it will visible here in this inside this one. We have added H1 to H6. How does it will view? Like H1 is a highlighted header tag. You have to H2, H3, H like that. Where we can use, we have to think on this design and sizes, and we have to add that one while designing the HTML content single page application. We have added image tag. That one I took from the browser car address, image address, and I have added. This is the link anchor tag we have added. Anchor tag means if you click that one, it will go to one website. What we will add that example I have added. For as of now, we don't have any domain. Is this one? And get back to video. I have added video and audio. This is the sections we have added, right? That section content, section 1, section 2. If you, it will come like this one, and this is the section content. It will visible without CSS like this. I will show you how to add CSS content for this HTML layout, and we can add 3 ways to CSS: internal, inline, and external. I will explain how to add and what is the difference, why we have to take internal, inline, external in the next video. Thank you.